Good morning. Chapter Surface Areas and Volumes, exercise 13.7. 13.7 is related to right circular cone. Okay. So cone, we know different formulas we know already. No, already we done. So what is the volume of a cone and what is H, what is L? About cone, this is the diagram of cone.
Sir, L is the slant height.
Yes. See. Okay, so this is L, slant height. This is height H.
Sir, is it a right circular cone or a simple cone?
Right circular cone. This angle is 90 degree. See, this is 90 degree. This triangle is a right angle triangle ABC. ABC. Okay, and BC is the base radius. BC, base radius BC. AB is the height, that is H, and AC is the slant height L. So apply Pythagoras theorem, then we can write what is the Pythagoras theorem. L is the hypotenuse, opposite of 90 degree. So L square equal to H square
H square plus P square
equal to R square radius. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem and relation between L, H and R. So L square equal to H square plus R square, and R is the base radius and base is circular shape. Okay, so this is right circular cone. Now see the first question. First question is find the volume of the right circular cone. So we know what is the volume formula. Cone.
Sir, 1 by 3 pi r square.
1 by 3 pi r square.
Yes. So 1 by 3 pi r square H.
H कौन बोलेगा?
1 by 3 pi r square H. H is the height and R is the radius. Okay. So see the first question. Radius is given R equal to 6. So here R equal to 6, radius 6 centimeter and height equal to 7 centimeter, height H 7 centimeter. So what is the volume of the cone? So
1 by 3, 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 7.
Equal to 1 by 3 pi r square H equal to 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 pi. R is the radius is 6. So 6 into
1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 7.
Yes. Height is 7.
7
And unit is centimeter cube.
Yes, sir.
centimeter cube. Yes, sir.
Centimeter cube. Now,
7
yes, 7
cancel.
cancel and 3 to just 6.
Yes, sir. 3 to
And 2. So 22 into 2 equal to 44.
44
into 6.
44 into
264
6.
centimeter cube.
Okay, so this equal to
264 centimeter cube.
264
264.
centimeter
Centimeter
cube.
cube.
Yes.
Cube.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, next one, number 2. Here, R equal to radius. Radius equal to 3.5 centimeter. 3.5
1 by 2
centimeter.
into 20. Sir, 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 into 12.
Yes. H equal to 12 centimeter height. 12 centimeter. Therefore, volume of a cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square.
R
H.
square into H.
Yes. So equal to 1 by 3 into 3.5 pi 22 by 7 right first, 22 by 7 into 3.5
3.5
into
into
12 height
12.
meter cube unit. Okay. So calculate now. 3 4 is 12. 3 and 12. 3 4.
14.
Then
Yes, sir.
7 and
Sir,
3.5.
154. 154. 154.
0.5. 5 7 35.
1
0.5.
2.
And 22 and 5 multiply 11. 11.0 because after 1 this
Sir,
is decimal
154.
point into 3.5 into 4. Okay. Now 11 into 3.5.
Sir, 11 into 14. 11 into 14.
Yes. 14.0. So 11 into 14, it is, what is?
Sir, 14 times are 140 plus 14, 154.
154, yes. 154 centimeter cube. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Next, say question number 2.
Clear.
Question number 2 is find the capacity in liters of a conical vessel with capacity in liters. Radius is given 7 centimeter and slant height is 25 centimeter. And we know capacity formula is pi r square h. So we have to find h. Okay. So question number 2 here. It is given radius
Pi r square is not 1 by 3.
r equal to 7 centimeter and slant height equal to L 25 centimeter. Slant height 25 centimeter. This is also part 1. Okay. So now we know, use that formula, Pythagoras theorem. We know L square equal to R square plus H square. Okay. So L is 25. L is 25 equal to R is radius 7 square plus H square. So 25 into 25, 625 equal to 49, 7 square plus H square. So H square equal to 625 minus 49. Okay. So 625 minus 49 equal to 576. Therefore, H is equal to height under root 576. So under root 576 is 24. 24 into 24, 576. 24 centimeter height. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
find its volume. Question is find the capacity. We know capacity and volume are same. So,
Yes, sir.
capacity equal to 1/3 pi r square h equal to 1/3 into 22 by
22 by 7.
7 radius. Radius equal to 7.
7.
7 into 7 into height is 24
24.
centimeter cube. Okay. 7 7 cancel. 7 7 and 3 8 is 24. 3 and 24
Yes, sir. 3 is 24.
8. Okay. Now multiply this.
22 into 56.
Yes. So 22 into 7 multiply.
Sir, 500,
154
560 plus 112.
into 8.
Sir, 672.
$732. It is?
No, sir.
Huh? What is? 12. 12.
Sir, 1232. 1232.
1232
1, 2, 3, 2,
centimeter
no?
cube. Yes, sir. 1232 centimeter.
1232
1232
centimeter cube.
centimeter cube.
Yes. Centimeter cube.
Sir, now convert it into liter.
Yes. Convert into liter. So equal to divided by 1000.
1.232 liter.
1232 by 1000 liter.
Sir,
So 1.232
1.232.
Yes, 1.232 liter. This is the answer. Okay.
yes, sir.
Now number 2, part 2. Number 2 is height is given 12. H equal to here. H is given height 12 centimeter. 12. And slant height also given L. L equal to 13 centimeter. 13 centimeter. So radius is not given. Okay. So use that formula. We know L square equal to
H square plus R square.
yes. Now L is 13. 13 square equal to H is 12. 12 square plus R square. So 13 169. 169 and 12 square 144
Yes, sir. 169.
plus R square.
R squared, sir.
Now R square equal to
Sir, 169 minus 144.
minus 140.
Sir, R square is equal to 15. 15, 15.
Well, sir, yes, sir. 15.
25, no? So R equal to
25.
yes under root 25 equal to 5.
Sir, R equal to 5. Yes, sir.
5 centimeter radius. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
its volume, that is capacity. Therefore capacity equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay. Equal to 1/3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 5.
Sir, yes, sir. 5 into 5 into.
Into height. Height also given 12. Height is 12 centimeter cube. Okay. Now 3 4 is 12. 3 and 4. 3 and
Yes, sir.
4,
4 that 12.
12. Okay. Now multiply this. 22.
Sir, 25 into 22 by
2200 by
7.
7. 2200 by 7.
And into 4 into 5, 20, no? See.
Sir,
Okay.
2200 by 7.
By 7. Now 11 to the 22. 0, 0 by 7. Centimeter cube. Okay. Now convert into liter divided by 1000. So equal to 2200 divided by 7 into 1000 liter. 1000 liter. So 00 cancel this 20. Okay. Now it will go by 2. 11 to the 22. 11 and 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10. So equal to 11 by 35. 11 by 5 into 7, 35 liter. Okay. This is the
Okay, sir.
capacity. This is the answer. 11 by 35 liter. Okay, it is clear, everyone.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Next, say question number 3. Next. So question number 3 is the height of a cone is 15 centimeter. Height is 15. If its volume is 1570 centimeter cube, capacity also given. Find the radius of the base and use pi equal to 3.14. Okay. So radius you have to find. Number 3. So here height equal to 8. 15 centimeter. And volume equal to 1570 centimeter cube. Okay.
We have to find the radius.
Find the radius. Yes. So we know the formula of the volume is according to question. According to question, what is the formula? Capacity 1 by 3.
Sir, 1 by 3
3.
into 3.14
Pi r
into
square
r square into 1 by 7.
By
equal to 1570. Okay, it's okay. This is equal to this. 1/3 pi r square h equal to 1570. Now 1 by 3 into pi is given. Pi is 3.14. Right, 3.14. Radius is not given, so r square, and height is given. Height is 15. 15 equal to
100 centimeter.
1570. Okay. Say 3 and 15. 3 5 j 15. 3 5. Okay. Now multiply 3.14 into 5.
100 centimeter square.
15.70.
Yes. 15.70 and after 2 digit, no decimal point. This. Okay. R square equal to 1570. Now r square equal to
200 centimeter.
1570 by
Our answer is 10 centimeter.
15.70. Okay. Now we can write this square equal to 1570 by 1570 into 100. Okay, we can write. Now this cancel. So r equal to, r square is 100, r equal to root 100, under root 100 it is 10, so 10 centimeter. Okay, this is the radius. So question is find its radius.
Yes, sir.
Number
Yes,
3,
sir.
the radius of the base, therefore radius of the base equal to 10 centimeter. This is the answer. Okay, it is clear. Okay, next question number 4.
No.
Question number 4 is, if the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube. Okay, so height is given 9 and capacity also given 48 pi. Find the diameter of its base. Same type question. Diameter means radius. Radius we can find, then we can find diameter. So number 4. So here it is given height equal to h, 9 centimeter, volume equal to 48 pi centimeter cube. Okay, now according to question, we know the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to 48 pi. Okay, 48 pi. Now 1 by 3 pi only write, pi into r square into h, height is 9, it is given, equal to 48 pi. Okay, now from both sides pi cancel. Okay, and 3 9, 3. So r square equal to 48 pi divided by pi into 3. Okay, so pi cancel, this pi.
Sir, r is equal to 4 centimeter.
This is 3. No, so 3 and 48, 16. 3 and 48, 16. So r square equal to 16. R square equal to 16. R equal to under root 16.
4 square.
Okay, so
4.
radius equal to 4 centimeter. Now question is find the diameter of its base. Therefore diameter equal to, diameter of the base equal to 2r. We know r is the radius, diameter is 2r. So it is
Thank you,
2
sir.
into 4. Okay, diameter is 2 into 4, so 8 centimeter. So diameter is 8 centimeter. Question is find its diameter. So this is the answer, 8 centimeter. Till now, is it clear? Whatever you done today,
Thank you, sir.
clear everything. Whatever done today,
Yes.
all the questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.